All right, so the first thing we're gonna run through is this box here. It's a telescopic ladder. I just got this in the mail, so we'll go ahead and open this up, see what's inside. I'm pretty, oops, there's no blade in there. I'm pretty sure this is gonna also have the mounting hardware. So let's open this thing up. So, looks like this goes in its own bag. That feels like mounting hardware. Oh yeah, this thing looks nice. So it's nice because this tent you can get into it from either side, front, back, left or right, which is important for me because I am going to be also installing an awning, and I have my setup all in the back where I'm cooking, so I need to be able to get in on a side, and I need to be able to pick and choose which side I want. That's cool. Oh wow. That is pretty nice. Got a few different things here. These are your channel brackets. Got a wrench. Some rubber ends here. Makes sense. Not sure what this is. Take a look and see. That seems pretty straightforward though right there. So it comes with these channel brackets right here. These slide obviously into your channel underneath the tent, which is right here. So this just kind of slides right in there like that, and you'll just slide the ones you need. You'll have one on either side so that you can set it up like this. I'll show you. It's going to go through. If I can get this in front of me. It's going to go through just like that. Like I was doing before, these just slide in there just like that. So I'm doing the front one, the front two. So if I slide it up, you got one, you got two. Alright, we'll just loosely fit those for now. So what we're going to do is the front and the middle, because that seems to be pretty good right there to me. Same thing for the middle one as the front one. Basically all you're doing is just putting the bracket on and putting the bolts on either side. So you should have your channel screws, your channel bolts in there, and then just throw the nuts on either side of this, line this thing up. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side, and we'll just do it as a loose fit for right now. Okay, so far so good. Grab the ladder. What is that? Alright, well, it's on there. I definitely want to give a big thank you to OPENROAD for sending out this tent and sponsoring today's video. I'm really impressed with the build quality so far, and I'm excited to put it through the paces out on the trail. My plan is to take it camping soon and then come back with a full honest review. Once I've spent some nights in it, then I can tell you exactly what I think. We'll see how it holds up in real world conditions and see if it's the right upgrade for you. Thanks.